in the video series of Mathematics class 9. Dear students, in the previous video we learned how to draw the subdivided bar diagram. In this video we are going to learn how to draw the percentage bar diagram. So let's see. Percentage bar diagram is a special type of subdivided bar diagram. The information given in the data is converted into the percentage. Here, all the bars are drawn of equal heights. Okay, so let's see how to draw the percentage bar diagram by taking an example. The question is, the following table shows the number of buses and trucks in nearest lakh units. Draw percentage bar diagram. Approximate the percentage to the nearest integer. Dear students, to draw the percentage bar diagram, first of all, we have to convert the given values into the percentage. Okay, so let's see how to convert that. So here you can see I have drawn the table. Here in the first row there are years. Okay, then here number of trucks. Then second row, number of buses are given in the different years. Then total. So here, just write down the values, number of trucks and buses for each year. After writing that, next row, in that we write their total. Now you can see here 47 plus 9, that is 56. 56 plus 13, that is 69. The number of trucks in the year 2008 to 9, that is 60 plus buses 16. So total is 76. Then here trucks 63 and buses 18. Then total is 81. So we got here total. After taking out, after finding the total, let's convert that into the percentage. So here number of trucks are 47. It means what percentage of trucks are there? So that first we will find out. So how to find out the percentage of trucks? So here total is 56. So out of this 56, trucks are 47. So we have to find out the percentage. That's why we'll multiply it by 100. Okay. So here as we asked to write the percentage to the nearest integer. So here after solving this we'll get the 84 percentage. Okay. It means that the trucks are 84%. Then trucks we got. What about the buses? So here 84% means out of 100, 84 are trucks. It means 100 minus 84, that is 16 are buses. It means what is the percentage of buses then? 16%. Okay. Now similarly, in the year 2007 to 8, here total of this both trucks and bus is 69. So let's first find out the percentage of trucks. So how we do that? Total is 69. That's why 69. As we are finding the trucks, that's why we write the number of trucks. And we want to find out its percentage. That's why multiplied by 100. So 56 number of trucks upon total number multiplied by 100. So after solving this approximate, we'll get the 81% of trucks. So 81% of trucks. So what percentage will be of bus? So that one will be 100 minus this 81. That is 90. 19% will be of bus. Now next, in the year 2008 to 9, trucks are 60 and buses 16. Total 76. Okay. So percentage for the trucks, that is 60 number of trucks upon total. Total is 76 multiplied by 100. And after solving this, we will get approximate 79. So 79 is the percentage of trucks. Then what will be the buses? Percentage of buses in this year? That one will be 100 minus this 79, that is 21. So 21% will be the buses. Then in the last year, that is 2009 to 2010. So trucks 63, buses 18, total 81. Okay. Then percentage of trucks, that is number of trucks 63 upon total number 81. multiplied by 100. After solving, we'll get approximate 78% of trucks. Then what about the buses? So 100 minus this 78, that is 22% will be of buses. So dear students, in this way we have converted the values of number of buses and trucks in the form of percentage. Okay. So by using this table, now let's draw the percentage bar diagram on the graph paper. Let's see. Now let's see how to represent this numerical data in the form of percentage bar graph. So for that, on the graph paper we'll draw the two lines, two perpendicular lines. Vertical line is the y-axis, horizontal line is the x-axis. Okay. Now on this x-axis we'll take the years. Now here in the starting, from this origin, you may leave any centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, no problem. But here, as you will take the years, so between these two years, there should be the this gap should be same. Okay. So here, if you left the 1 centimeter, then same should be there for others also. And on this y-axis, we'll take the percentage of these vehicles, that is trucks and buses. So here we have converted this number of trucks and buses in the form of percentage. Okay, so as we know that in the percentage bar graph, the height of each bar is equal. It means it will be the 100. Okay, so as it is a percentage, that's why height of each bar will be 100. So that 100 we have to divide according to this percentage. Okay, so let's see. So for this first year 2005 to 2016, here the percentage for the trucks is 84. Okay, so here let's draw the first bar. So as each bar has the height 100, so let's draw the 100 bar with the height 100 units. So in this way, you may draw all the bars of equal height. So let's first we'll draw all the bars. So for these 4 years, we have drawn the bars with the height 100 units as it is a percentage. Okay, now let's divide this first bar in the trucks and buses according to their percentage. So trucks, percentage of the truck is given 84. Okay, so now here on this y-axis, here you can see 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Okay, so according to that, here we have to write the scale. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10% vehicles. Okay, so here as the for truck 84% is there, so what we'll do, after 80 we'll take the 4 small lines to represent the percentage of truck. So after 80, these are the 4. Then this remaining will be 16. So this 16% will be for bus. So ultimately we will get the remaining part for the bus. Now next year, that is 2007 to 8, the percentage for the trucks is given 81. So let's draw the bar with the, or here in this percentage we'll take the 81. 81 means just after the 80 we have to take one line. Okay, and remaining will be of buses. Then for the next year, that is 2008 to 9, percentage of truck is given 70 9. Okay, so 79 means just below the 80 will give the one line, means after 79 lines. So this is the height for the trucks. And next one is the 2009 to 10. The percentage for the truck is given 78. 78 means after 70 we'll take the 8 lines, or just below the 80, 2 lines below will take. Okay, so in this way we had divided. Now how we'll come to know that this is for the trucks and this is for the bus? So for that we have to use the pattern to differentiate that. Okay, now for that let's consider, you may fill the box or you may use any pattern. So now for the trucks I am going to use this pattern, and this empty box will be for bus. So here what it is representing, that we write. Okay, buses and trucks. Now let's, here for each year we have drawn the bar of equal height, that is 100, as it is a percentage. Then according to the percentage of trucks and buses we divided that. Okay, now let's differentiate this. So you may fill these bars with a different patterns. So I am going to do in this way so that it will be easy to understand. So now you can see here we have represent this numerical data in the form of percentage bar graph. Dear student, you can see here height of each bar is equal, that is 100, as it is a percentage. Then according to the percentage of trucks and buses we divided the each bar. Okay, so in this way we can draw the percentage bar graph. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.